How to fix ESPN BAMMedia Error Code 0. Hey guys, and let's get started. This error could be caused by various factors such as network issues, outdated apps, or problem with the ESPN server. So let's get started with some of the troubleshooting steps. The very first one would be check for the ESPN servers. For this, open any of your browser from the application and then type in ESPN server status. Or you could directly search for the website called as Down Detector. This way, you can see if other users are also reporting similar problems with the ESPN. If there is a widespread issue, you might need to wait until it is resolved. Likewise, the next step or the troubleshoot would be restarting the application and the device as well. This can clear any temporary glitches and fix the issue. The third would be updating your application. For this, go to App Store or Play Store and search for ESPN. If there is an update button, tap on it. The fourth troubleshoot would be checking for the stable internet connection. Make sure to switch between different applications and network issues to check if you have a stable connection. Likewise, for the next step, long press the ESPN and go to App Info. From the list, click on Storage and Cache and clear the cache. After this, log in again and check if the problem persists. Also, if you have any VPN or proxy services open, disable it. However, if none of the solution is working, the best solution would be contacting its support. For this, you can either go through the application or you could just go to the Play Store and there you have an email address inside the app support. Just mention your problem along with the screenshot and the issue will be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.